Doug Rohr here. Just cleaning up the dart on a Thursday night and noticed that the remote mirror handle was bent, so I thought I'd see if I could straighten it. I'll put the camera here on the stand and see what we can do. Just unscrew it, plain and simple. Look there. Let's hope it just was bent once and we can actually do something with it. Gonna grab a body hammer. Well, not really. It's a little bitty ball peen. Should do the trick just fine. Pardon the messy bench, but it'll work. Pretty close. First try. Go a little bit more. Really, I think that's as close as I'm going to get it. I'll grab a little steel wool and take the rust off and see how it looks. Okay, so much for steel wool. I found a piece of Scotch-Brite. I'll just rub it down a little bit, not try to get too aggressive with it. I think it'll help it. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Kind of matches the rest of the car. Go put it back on, see how it looks. So here we go. Well, I guess it's stuck. That's probably why it was bent. So it looks better, even if it doesn't really do anything. Well, there you go. But it's straight now. No rust. So if you enjoyed that, like and subscribe. Thanks.
Mm-hmm.